Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm excited to guide you through the process of creating a UDP Hysteria server. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like button, sharing this video, and subscribing for more tech insights. Step 1. To get started, open any browser and head to the SSH SSL Tunnel website. Step 2. On the home page, locate the hamburger icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access the menus. Step 3. Within the list of menus, find and click on the UDP Hysteria label to continue with the setup process. Step 4. Now on the next page, click on the Create Account label to generate your account. Once the account is successfully created, be sure to copy the server details provided for later use. Conclusion. If you're unsure about using this server on AIO Tunnel, AGN Injector, or X-Tunnel Pro, I've got you covered. Watch the video below for a detailed walkthrough. Thanks for tuning in.